Hi, Don Harris here, President of Dependable Services, and I'd like to thank you for visiting our website today. You're likely on this page because you're looking for someone in the Acworth, Kennesaw area to service your heating and air conditioning system. Well, you've come to the right place. We have technicians staged in Acworth and Kennesaw for fast, quick response. Dependable Services is a family-owned and operated business servicing commercial and residential heating and air conditioning needs in the greater Atlanta area since 1970. We repair all brands, makes, and models of air conditioning and heating systems and have a large stock of air conditioning and heating parts to get you up and running with minimal delay. We will always get a technician out as soon as possible, often within a few hours. We also offer 24-hour emergency service for those times you just have to have it working now. So why not give us a call, 770-577, to schedule your service call. Or if you can't wait to talk to someone in the office or it's after hours, you can schedule your non-emergency service calls yourselves online anytime 24/7 just by clicking on the Schedule Service Online button above and entering the appropriate information, and your call will be scheduled as requested. Our courteous and professional technicians have years of air conditioning and heating experience and receive regular training to stay up to date. They will troubleshoot the problem and give you a flat rate repair price before any repairs are made. And of course, all repairs are guaranteed. We also have senior citizens and military discounts as well as service agreement discounts, so don't forget to ask about those. We take all major credit cards and have great financing programs available for the larger products. We also give free estimates if you're looking to replace your system. So why not give us a call, 770-577-5770, or click on the Schedule Now button above and we'll get you up and running in a flash. Thanks again for visiting our website. We'll be seeing you soon.